You have ever tried tuna roast? Like this? The beauty of the color. See. Don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen.
This recipe serves 6 to 8 guests. We need tuna cut into dice 1 kg, cleaned and washed. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, half lemon juice freshly squeezed, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, few curry leaves. Combine well and leave it for 30 minutes. Onto a skillet, 1/4 cup coconut oil. Fry the fish. Fry both sides crispy and leave it on a plate. 60 grams of tamarind. Add water and extract the pulp. Onto a clay pot, half cup of oil. 1 tablespoon mustard seed. Let it crack. Crushed ginger, a medium size. 6 cloves of crushed garlic with skin. Slit green chilies, 6 each. Cook for 3 minutes. Sliced onions, 2 each. Shallots, 20 each, finely sliced. Curry leaves, few. And saute. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. And saute until soft and transparent. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 4 teaspoon chili powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, black pepper powder 2 teaspoon, fenugreek powder 1 tablespoon. Saute for 5 minutes. Add the tamarind pulp, just the pulp only. Combine well. Reduce into a thick gravy. Check the salt. If needed, add. Add the fried fish. Combine carefully. Cook for 3 minutes. Turn off the heat. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Few curry leaves on the top. And leave it there covered.
The tuna roast is ready. This curry, better to taste it tomorrow. Leave it there. Let the sourness from the tamarind, the spiciness, it's absorbed by the fish overnight. So see you tomorrow for the real tasting.